Hate ko talaga yung mga taong lagi nilang kino-convince yung ibang tao na mas maganda yung opinion nila kaysa sa ibang tao. Hindi ko gusto yung bagong album ni Taylor Swift na The Life of a Showgirl kasi I just don't like it. And someone reacted din na parang ganyan, wala ka kasing taste. Sobrang basic mo kasi like, girl, what the Don't get me wrong, Teha. I like most of her albums like Red, Folklore, Reputation, Lover, girl, yan na yung proof, te. Even si Ariana Grande, te, I like. Pero hindi ko gusto yung bagong album niya and that's okay. Like, it doesn't mean na hindi ko gusto yung bagong album nila. Is hate ko na sila as a person. No, te. It's just hindi lang tumpak sa taste ko, hindi lang tumpak sa gusto ko talaga. And that's okay. I think people need to realize people have opinions. Do I hate people who enjoy Taylor Swift's new album? Absolutely no. Kasi te, hindi ako bitter. Kasi I'm not against someone else's happiness. If masaya ka sa isang bagay, te, then go for it. Pero te, hindi mo kailangang magpaka-superior na sabihin pa yung ibang tao na ganyan kasi sobrang basic mo, na mas angat ka, na mas maganda yung taste mo. Like, girl, grow up! Marami din ako mga nababasang comments na ganyan. Bakit most of my videos are nire-relate ko sa astrology. Meron pa akong nabasa na it's funny how people always relate their astrology to their behavior. Because girl, I believe in astrology. And if ikaw hindi ka naniniwala sa astrology, that's okay. I'm not against you. This is my life and I am entitled to my own opinion. Can a girl have fun? Like, can a girl have their own opinion? Like, bawal na ba tayo maging opinionated ngayon? I feel like yung mga taong ganyan is close-minded talaga. Like, meron silang superiority complex na feel nila lahat lang ng mga gusto nila is yun lang din dapat yung magustuhan ng ibang tao. Na kung ano yung opinion nila is dapat tama sila lagi na yun din yung opinion nila. No, people need to wake up and realize na tayo as a human is magkakaiba-iba yung perspective natin based on our experiences. And that's okay. That's okay, te, kasi if pare-pareho lang tayo, te, girl, sobrang boring ng life. Sobrang plain, walang color, te, if pare-pareho lang tayo. So, yeah, sa mga taong ganyan, te, please grow up. Grow up, like, open your mind. Utang na loob, te. Kasi 2026 na, tapos ganyan pa rin yung perspective niyo, please lang.